The earth is shifting. The poles are drifting. We spin, but not where we used to. Magnetic north on the run. Siberian pool, no place to come. Ice melts, oceans rise. Axis tilts beneath our skies. We're dancing on unstable ground. Every beat a seismic sound. The core is loud, the crust is thin. We move with the pulse within. Axis drift, magnetic shift. We dance on unstable ground. The signal's loud, the core's alive. We move with the pulse of time. Not chaos, just change. Not the end, just a new spin. Equator slides, the balance bends. Heat rewrites the polar ends. We're coded in the planet's breath, alive in motion, defying death. Axis drift, magnetic shift. We dance, sense unstable ground. The signal's loud, the core's alive. We move with the pulse of time. The earth remembers. And we are the rhythm it keeps.